Hey y'all, happy November the 2nd. Y'all, it's still fall, still autumn, right? But it is cold out here. Y'all, it is 5. Y'all getting this video late. It's like 5:30. I wasn't supposed to be vlogging, right? I can't help myself. I can't help it. Y'all see the steam coming off this coffee? That's how much I love y'all, that I'm out here. No, but I wanted to come out here before I go in for the rest of the evening just to get some fresh air. Yeah. So thank you all for enjoying yesterday's video, even though it was a little bit video. Today's going to be a little bit video too. I'm still taking a little break, but I'm still going to bring you guys snippets of this and that. But I wanted to just say, I love you all. I hope you are loving yourself. I hope you are blessing others. I hope you are giving to others. I just hope you are praying and having big faith in the world that we live in, that it can become better, and that you are loving yourself so that you will be able to love others. And just keep having that peace that suppresses, and that faith that suppresses all things. Just keep on doing that, and we'll be all right. We will be able to get through this. We will be able to get through this. So y'all, I'm going to show y'all. Y'all know I got the lights, right? So she's going to get ready to put them lights up in this video. And, oh, I'm going to show y'all real quick, too, where I put those candles. Did y'all see them candles? Did y'all see those? We're going to talk about it when we get inside, okay? So I'm going to make y'all, you guys are going to hold the line for a minute, okay? So then we can get inside, okay? And then I'm going to show y'all, okay? Y'all, so outfit of the day, if you're just wondering, if you just need to get a glance, outfit of the day. I already told y'all it was cold outside today. I'm gonna tell y'all, yesterday was like 55, today was 35, okay? That's how cold it is. So I just want to show y'all real quick. So y'all see this behind me, right? The pumpkin's gonna stay. I know y'all gonna be like, Sonia, you're doing too much. But no, she's not. Because I keep telling y'all, I like, if you don't know that about me by now, you should. I like bigger scale things than smaller things. So if I can always have the opportunity to get rid of smaller things, I'm going to do it, and I'm glad. But guys, look what I found today on my way home from the Goodwill. Do you guys see how big this thing is? This is how big it is. But the blessing was, this was supposed to be $10. And look, this is off. I got it for $2 and some change. I'm gonna bring it over here. Let me put it over here so y'all can see just how big this thing is. And I absolutely love it. It says bless, see, it done fell off. It says bless this house and all who enter. And it has like these clamps here, which are beautiful. But guys, that's gonna take the place of these two things. You guys will see, and then you'll understand. So that's the first update I want to show you guys. Okay guys, so there's a bigger view of that. It's really big. I like it. So y'all, I went to Aldi's today to see if I could find, guys, look at this. Let me just set y'all down so I can show y'all. So now y'all can see me today. So this is my plan. Y'all, I'm keeping these beautiful things right here. They are so beautiful. But I was looking for another one of these because this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them here. I'm going to, if I can find number 18, I'll put number 18 because they have like some of the same similar scents. And I will burn them together. So just imagine how it will smell in here. So that is my idea, y'all, is to put one more of these gray ones over here. But it will be, I'll have 16 and 18. So let me know what y'all think. But I think it looks good. It looks, look at that. So sophisticated. So sophisticated. Now, even though I talked about height for the table with the flowers, this is see-through. So that doesn't matter. It's going to be okay. And guys, I'm loving this. That has the whole house smelling. I just turned it on when I came in, and it smells really good. So I'm trying to think. I had the glasses, I had the vases to show, the candelabras to show you guys. I showed you that. I showed you my new score. And let's get ready to get these lights put up because she's trying to see her decor tonight, okay? All right, y'all. Can I show you? Ouch. Can I show y'all something before we get started, though? Let me show y'all something really quick that I'm so excited about. But I just want to show you really quick what the lights look like. So you get 4 of them. They don't have anything. So I got my 2 box out. They don't have anything for you to plug them up. I mean, for you to put them up. So you had your own screws, but they have like the little tap thing. You can turn it on and off. So that's that. Then I got my toolbox here for my screws, but I'm going to show y'all something really, really quick because I'm so excited. Y'all, look at here. Do y'all see that? Remember this one was when we did the live. Look, y'all, there's that other one. And there's one more. Hold on. We got one. We got two. Oh, and here is number 3. Y'all, tell me about it, right? I know. So let's get ready to put these lights up, okay? All right, guys, everything, hold on, let me make sure you guys can see me. Everything is up and done. And I just wanted to show you guys the lights that I use in case you did not see them. Is the 4-pack of the LED tap lights by Murdane from Walmart. It's a 4-pack, as you can see here. And this will just give you like a kind of like a description how that looks. And these are the batteries that I chose. The Duracell Optimum. I got all 12 of these for $10.47 from Walmart, along with the light. So guys, you're probably wondering, Sonia, what you gonna do with the last light? I'm gonna put it in the kitchen underneath where the coffee maker is, because if you guys remember, we had got a house gift, a housewarming gift that had those other lights that run by the remote that's on the side of the wall in the kitchen. So that's what I'm gonna put this on the other side that didn't have a light. So that's where this one is going. And I just also want to let you know, guys, know that if you don't have a drill, you can purchase you it's like a nail that has like a little thing at the top where it gives you the ability like to screw up really good along with the screwdriver. So y'all want to see what it looks like? Huh? Let's turn it on. Look at that. Y'all, I can't wait. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Do y'all see that? Let's turn the light off. Let's turn the light off. I know I'm all over the place. Let's turn this light off and see what that looks like. And then we're going to end this video. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let's turn the light off. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all, that is beautiful. Look at this. Look. Oh my gosh, y'all. It even shines on the floor. That is beautiful. So y'all, let me know. It's getting late. Let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? I absolutely love this. I love it. I can't believe it. I'm so glad that we didn't go through with tearing down this thing in the windowsill. Y'all, she is loving it. Look at that. Look at it. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love that. I love it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think. And I'm going to plug in what the candles look like, what the other light looks like underneath there. And bye, y'all. Remember to love yourself so you can be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye.